Cooking with friends can be a great way to have fun, learn new recipes and skills, and create lasting memories. When you're cooking with someone else, you can bounce ideas off of each other and come up with recipes that are truly unique. Plus, it's a lot of fun to cook together. There is something about chocolate cake that just makes it special. Maybe it is the rich, indulgent flavor, or the fact that it is so versatile and can be enjoyed in so many different ways. No matter what your reason for loving chocolate cake, there is no doubt that it is an amazing dessert. With its deep chocolate flavor and moist, fluffy texture, chocolate cake is sure to please everyone who tries it. So if you are looking for an amazing dessert that will impress your friends and family, be sure to make some chocolate cake. Orchids have been around for centuries and are still one of the most beautiful things on earth. They are often seen as a symbol of love and appreciation, and many people find their beauty to be inspirational.